Hi, this is attorney Stephen Spano.
And I'm attorney Andrea Witt with a Legal and Financial Minute or two. In our last Legal and Financial Minute or two, we provided concrete tools to enable you to evaluate, select, and contract with the right real estate broker. Now that you've selected the broker to sell the real estate, and your attorney has reviewed, negotiated, and edited the contract with your broker, it's time to sign that contract with the broker and start dealing with prospective buyers.
That contract is also called a listing agreement. Once you sign the listing agreement that your attorney has reviewed, negotiated, and edited, an excellent real estate broker will begin to market the property through at least 6 sales channels, which include listing it online through the multiple listing service, often referred to as the MLS, holding an open house for local brokers, advertising it on their own website, contacting potential buyers that the broker already knows are interested in properties in your neighborhood, and with your permission, holding an open house with the public and placing a sign in front of your property that will encourage your neighbors to tell their friends and relatives about how much fun it will be if they become neighbors.
Each sales channel is crucial to getting you the best offer and the highest price for your home. For example, the MLS is the online service that notifies thousands of other brokers about your property. It's also a contract between all of these brokers to cooperate in the sale and the sharing of compensation in the sale of your property. The broker that you hired is the broker that lists your property on the MLS.
By listing it on the MLS, your broker guarantees that they will cooperate with all the other brokers in the sale of your property, even though your broker, which is called the listing broker, may have to share some of the commission with the broker that finds a buyer that you agree to sell to. The broker that finds the buyer that eventually purchases your property is called the selling broker. The MLS spurs competition among all of the brokers, as each one of them wants to be the one that sells your house and gets the commission for the sale of the house.
By holding an open house for local brokers, your broker multiplies the number of local brokers that know your house is for sale and can describe it to the potential buyers that have previously contacted them about purchasing property in your neighborhood.
By holding an open house for the public, a larger number of people can come through the property in a very brief amount of time, creating a bidding contest or a war for your property and driving up the price.
While there are many ads out there telling people that this is a slow, cumbersome, and expensive process, the reality is that it moves at a much faster pace than most people imagine, is generally smooth, and can result in the seller making hundreds of thousands of dollars more than selling without an excellent broker.
Watch our next episode to see what comes next now that a prospective buyer has made an offer on your property.
Remember, all lawyers and law firms are not the same. Seek out an expert law firm to protect you and your family.
We hope this Legal and Financial Minute or two has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have something you would like us to address in one of our segments, or have any questions on this or another legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano and DeWicki at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodewicki.com.